Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I am Lexi, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a get ready with me. So I'm going to show you guys how to get ready on a budget. Let's get to it. First things first, I'm going to be starting with Lagirlprimer. You can get this for right about like $5-6, and I just love the texture. It's really smooth, especially it fills all those pores. I'm going to apply it evenly. First, I'm going to be using Elmer's glue. You can get a pack, or you can get it by the one. They're like $2-3. I'm using Anastasiabrowgel, and these are about $21. And I'm just going to brush it up and down. Follow that arch. I love that it's like waterproof, so it stays on like the full day. So I'm gonna fade them just a tiny bit. I'm gonna use my index fingers and I'm gonna tap it. So I can start that fade. With the cleanup brush, I'll be using Studio Fix foundation. And I'm just gonna do the top. I am so in love with this concealer by e.l.f. It's about $6. And I just love the texture and the size. Can't go wrong with that. Now I'm gonna go around the arch and do the cleanup and bring it all the way down. And I'm going to separate my brows right by the ridge of the nose. And one of my favorites, Ring the Alarm by Morphe. To create that cut crease, I'm using Morphe white concealer. I'm going to be very careful on that crease. You want to connect your contour. I'm using Beutytreats for my contour. These are about like $8. I'm gonna go back with my beauty blender and I'm gonna be using elf. And this is high definition setting powder. This is like $6. I'm gonna let this sit for about 10 or 15 minutes. Now that I'm back, I'm gonna dust it off. I'm adding bronzer from MAC. I'm gonna be using Maybelline waterproof liquid liner. This one's like $6. I really love Milani's highlighter. Comes with all kinds of tones. I'm using Too Faced powder. Now for my mascara, I'm using Voluminous. And this one is about $8. I have something brand new. I've never used it before, so we'll see how this works. This is a heated lash curler. So I decided to put mascara first. Let's see how this works. It has 60, 80, and 95 degrees. And I'm supposed to wait like a couple seconds. I've seen different kinds of reviews on these heated lash curlers, but never really tried it before. So I already applied my mascara. And it definitely feels a little hot. I'm putting some pressure. This is definitely more time consuming than a regular lash curler, so I'll see what the difference is. Wow. It's really lifting my lashes. So this is the second time. It just feels a little hot. It's not hot where it feels like it's gonna burn you. You just feel the heat. You put a little bit of pressure. And I'm liking it. Really neat. I got me some new lipstick. This one is Beauty Glazed. Smells like coconut. It's a matte waterproof lipstick. So when it comes to these, it's important to stretch your lips. And get that even application. Brand new lash glue. You cannot go wrong with Kiss Lash Glue. It has aloe vera and it dries really quick. I've already clipped and measured my lash. I'm going to apply mascara to lock my natural lash and my strip lash. So I'm just putting a little bit of pressure and pulling it out. Not bad. You see the difference between one and the other? Nice. I am loving this look. I've created all this on a budget. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and I'll see you guys next time.